Face diet, key line: get rid of excess fat above the eyebrows. Using middle and ring fingers on both sides, massage in a circular motion. Loosen the muscles above the eyebrows. Repeat 10 times. Use your thumb and index finger on both sides. Pull the upper and lower skin of the eyebrow line, gently twisting. Repeat 3 times. Use your middle finger and ring finger on both sides. Apply weight from the middle of the forehead to the temples. Repeat 5 times. Use the middle finger and ring finger on both sides from the eyebrows up to the hairline. Weight is just right, and then apply the area under the eyebrows up to the fontanelle in the same way. Repeat 3 times.